I'm always looking for ways to kind of save time and be able to kind of move through things quickly so that I can get more accomplished. And so a lot of that goes to, allowing AI to do summaries for me. I'll feed it the transcript of the meeting that I haven't attended and give me a bullet points of what that is. I mean, obviously there's different services and products you can, use to invite into your meetings, and they'll do all those for you for various reasons, depending on which client I'm working with, I can use those or not. But if not, the transcript is probably a safer version, so I can feed it into the model and have it summarize it back to me. If I want to, get quickly inspired and get something done quickly in terms of the code, I can, ask literally in plain English, hey, give me this sequence of code to do a task for me, and it'll do it. It may not work all the time. I might have to tweak it and alter it to fit exactly what I needed to do, but that saves me time.